Hello, everyone. Lighting sucks. Uneasy Andy here, and I got some mail. Alright, I already cut everything open. This, I do not know what it is. Something my wife won. It's addressed to her. So, let's see. Ooh. Warning, this product can cause mouth cancer. Copenhagen. From them. I don't chew, she doesn't chew. But let's see what it is. Always made in the USA. Duluth Pack, Minnesota. It's a little coin purse. It's really nice, but bummer. So we got that. And we got this from my friend Kim Blevins. Sorry about that. She saw one of my YouTube videos, saw I like bobbleheads, and we traded for some stuff before. And she was on the lookout for some bobbleheads, and let's see what she sent. It's a t-shirt. Oh, I did know this was coming. And, oh, some little mini bobbleheads. These are from cereal boxes. Pretty sweet. She's from Texas, so they're Texas Rangers and the Astros. Pretty cool. Appreciate it. Thank you. And a t-shirt. Dracula. That's pretty cool. I think she said she got this in a box. And it is my size, and I'm a big guy, so that is sweet. Thank you, Kim. And this box is a bobblehead. It was a trade from one of my Facebook groups. He wanted a Harry Potter, the girl from Harry Potter bobblehead that they were giving out in my area. And he gave me a Great Hambino from Sandlot. It's like the 25th anniversary, I think. Let's see what it looks like. And then another room here. Oh, it's nice. It's one of the better ones. A lot of teams are doing these since it's their anniversary. This is, it even says "You're Killing Me" Smalls on it. Very cool. It's calling a shot like Babe Ruth. Awesome. And I found these in a box I was using to reship out some stuff. And I had ordered these so I could get free shipping. And they were in the bottom of the box. Luckily, I decided to reuse it. They're Marvel Mystery Mini Bobblehead Keychains Pop. So let's see what's in them. They're not really bobbleheads. Daredevil. I don't know if you can tell, but I am sweating. It's very disgusting. It's hot. And Iron Man. Pretty cool. Anybody wants these, let me know. We can maybe trade, do something. And then last but not least, Bambox. I had won the 1-up last month, and I got an autographed knife, prop knife or fake knife or whatever. And I actually already had one, a real knife autographed by Matthew Lillard. And so I was gonna trade the Bambox one, but there was no BAM sticker on it, no COA. So I contacted them and they wanted me to send it in, and I was like, I'll just keep that one and sell my real knife. I don't feel like paying for shipping to send it in. And I'm like, can you just send me one of the regular autograph prints? And they did. I think. I haven't opened it. Pretty sure that's what this is though. Yes. Very cool. What's your favorite scary movie? I'm a big Scream fan. I have a shadow box with a autographed mask by Henry Winkler. I should have brought that out to show you guys. The Knife by Matthew Lillard. And then I got a Fonz bobblehead in there because of Henry Winkler. And then I got the Scream bobblehead. Oh, and I got a Shaggy bobblehead because Matthew Lillard played Shaggy. It's really cool. I wish I was thinking, could have brought that out. Anyways, that's about it. That's all the mail. Some of it was from a few days ago. I just stopped at a little flea market. I got these bobbleheads really cheap. His head's a little turned, but they're talking. They're huge. Green Goblin. Like, if you look at the comparison, like, that's huge. It's got to be 15 inches. And it's supposed to talk, but the battery's dead. Anyways, I got Green Goblin. And I got Spider-Man. They're sweet. They're huge. I kind of already got some, not these exact ones, so I'd be looking to trade these too. Also, my autographed bobbleheads, I'm going to show you my personal collection. Lou Ferrigno, met him at a con last year. Very cool. Kind of a standoffish guy a little bit, but loved him. And then I'd forgotten my Crow bobblehead. I was going to a con to meet James O'Barr. And I forgot my Crow bobblehead, so I had to buy just a pop. I'm not a big pop guy. Like, at least this one is a bobblehead. The Marvel are bobbleheads. So I got a pop figure for James O'Barr to autograph. And he's just amazing. Like, I have a video of him doing a sketch for me. He's just talking, and it just blows your mind. But anyways, I'm like, can you autograph this? So he opened the box, and I'm like, what the fuck's that guy doing? And he redrew the face. I don't know if you can tell, but he drew the mouth better, and then he did some shading on the eyes and stuff. Thought that was so awesome. So that's all I got for today. I'm gonna go inside in the air conditioner. I got foam on my face and sweat. You wanna see some of my sweat again? So nasty. I probably just lost the 5 viewers I have doing that. Anyways, thanks a lot. Bye.